What?
They kind of reminds me of a ninja.
You can't say Squidward.
Squid, wow!
I thought you can't say Squidward. I can't do it. I can't scream no more.
You should have prayed.
I can irritate matter.
That was my brother. Here goes my brother and sister playing Mario. She always do that now for some reason. No, it's not saying what's up to you.
I want a juice.
You ain't getting no juice.
I want some.
Selling yourself over YouTube.
You said what?
I can sell yourself over YouTube.
Sell my soul.
I can sell yourself.
And I got 100,000 people all watching me. They're watching me. Look at me. I'm a kitty cat. I wear a peanut for a hat. If I eat them all, I will get fat. Blah blah blah. I'm a kitty cat. Look at I'm bored. This is a boring video. Somebody just text you. No, not your phone. Probably run off your phone. Oh! Yeah, that's what I heard. That's what I heard. Then just put our name. Where was I? Oh yeah, look at me. I'm a kitty cat. I will. You got peanuts. Peanuts.
Blah, 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 I'm the famous cat.
You can't do the Indian voice, only I get to do the Indian voice. You gotta pick something else. I'm stuck on the Indian voice and no bodyguard. This is the man that was trying to kill me. Just stop laughing then. I'm not that better.
That's not very funny. Weird word.
Sean word.
Yo, he just did the flip in the middle of the air and then turned into a bullet bill.
They
You
can't
know,
be.
I just did the wah!
Thank you for mine, though.
Go ahead.
Shawnee doesn't know that his soul is being taken away. I tell you, Sean doesn't know.
Oh, he's the
Squidward! That is not no crackhead speed, this is crackhead speed.
You see how fast my hand moves? Yeah,
No.
Cause she trying to get you hip hop banana. I didn't know it was Chris.
Begging! Best part. Oh, he likes my sex. Oh, I messed up. I guess I gotta practice my sexual moves. This one called, oh yeah, quick slide. This one called, take me. Just take me. Oh, best part. Oh, he
No,
likes
it's
my
called
sexual moves. Oh, he likes my sexual moves.
It's called Hey Hippie.
You ain't a hipster. You're a hippie.
It's called Hey Hippie.
Who's a pretty hippie? You are. You're a pretty hippie. How many races do you have?
He doesn't know.
Hey, camera, I gotta tell you something.
It's focusing on Sean's back of the head.
F Sean's head. I gotta tell you something. Let me tell you something.
What?
Ball of peanuts. For the ball.
And now here's the crazy word from Lamisha.
Shebang.
Today's crazy word is.
Peanut butter and jelly.
That's not a crazy word.
Alright, fine.
No, you're fired.
I got the crazy word.
He always got the crazy word.
You don't want to try the crazy word. Alright, Lamisha, I'm gonna give you one last chart, okay?
No, I got a funny one.
Let Ejon do it.
Fine. These are not a word, crazy word of the day.
What? Slinging monkey.
That is not a word.
What? Slinging monkey.
That is not a crazy word. That is something that you call a whore or a hooker.
Alright, I got one.
Yeah, come over here.
Cheddar cheese nigga.
Cheddar cheese neck.
Christmas monkey swings.
Perfect noodle.
He's a perfect noodle. You
How about-
Vespa slinging,
I got one.
peanut butter eating.
Now how about a bowl of peanuts or a kitty sucking peanuts on a hat?
Kitty peanut cat.
You
Kitty peanut.
You kitty
Peanut cat.
Peanut cats. There's no such thing as peanut.
Stop licking
There
cats.
is peanut licker. Dress it up as a Halloween costume. Yes.
I'm talking about a real one, dang it.
I'm gonna be a bowl of peanuts for a hat.
All we have to do is do surgery.
I'm gonna be a cat with a bowl of peanuts. I'm gonna be a cat with a bowl of peanuts for a hat. Hey, yo, Sean sling bananas. Sean, why do you sling bananas? He's like, whoop.
Because they're performing.
This is a very, very, very boring video. You don't have to watch it if you want to. I'm just doing this video to just tell everyone that I am still alive. Due to the fact that I wasn't making any videos. Ah. Ah. Ah.